Hi friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Please subscribe to the channel.
Friends, today let us gain knowledge on integration testing top-down approach. Friends, if you did not watch the video regarding the integration testing, the video is available in the iCard section. Please watch the video. Friends, in integration testing, whatever the modules unit testing is completed and available, we will integrate them and do integration testing. Coming to this top-down approach, we do integration testing from the main module. That means the main module is development is completed and unit testing is completed, and the sub-modules which have dependencies with the main modules, development and unit testing is completed. The main module is integrated with the sub-modules and integration testing is done. For example, the main module has dependencies with the 5 sub-modules, but only the main module and the 3 sub-modules for development and unit testing is completed. In this scenario, we use the Stub. Stub is a temporary program which is used when sub-modules are not available. It will return control back to the main module with some temporary results. Friends, for better understanding of this concept, let's look into the slide. Here the one is the main module and 2 are the sub-modules, and there are other sub-modules where module 1 have dependencies with it, or the sub-modules have dependencies with it. So in the absence of the sub-modules, we are using the Stub 1, Stub 2, Stub 3, Stub 4. When the control flow from the main module to second sub-module to 2, and the control have to flow to the other sub-modules. As they are not available, we are using the stubs, which will return back the control to the main modules. Like this, we are performing this top-down approach in integration testing. In the integration testing, so when developers complete the main module and then start working on the next sub-modules, we follow the top-down approach in integration.
Friends, please click on subscribe button to support our channel Abhey, and also please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your valuable support to our Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. I hope it will continue forever.